Hey, I'm Andrew. I'm going to do a bike check. This is my Kink Solus frame in blood red. It's Tony Hamlin's signature frame, and it's 20.75. For my grips, I have Primo Simmons grips, and then for my bars, I have the Fiend Team bars, and I've got them in 9 rise. For my top load, I have the Mission top load. It's pretty good. For my headset, I've got the Colt headset. For my forks, I have the Kink Foundation forks. They come in 26 offset. Really good for nose manuals and stuff. For my pegs, all 4 pegs are on 4 pegs. I have Demolition V3s. They've got plastic sleeves. They slide really good. For both my tires, I have United Direct tires. They're really worn down, but it's whatever. For my front rim, I have the Demolition rim and then the Demolition hub guard that fits it. For my pedals, I have the Shadow Ravager pedals in chrome. They're metal. For my cranks, I have the United cranks, just the normal ones on Dan's. For my bottom bracket, I have a Stolen bottom bracket in chrome. For my seat, I have the Kink Solus seat. It's Tony Hamlin's signature seat again. And for my seat post, I have a seat post off a 2-hit bike. Complete. It sucks. For my sprocket, I have the Shadow sprocket. It's the one that's got the cutout in it. For my chain, I just have a Black Label chain, just the normal one, not a half link. I need a half link. For my back rim, I have the Mission female axle back rim, and then for my non-drive side hub guard, I have the Failure hub guard, and then for my drive side hub guard, I have the Primo. Yeah, that's my bike.
What's up, I'm Ben, and I'm going to do a bike check. For my frame, I'm running a Fiend Palmier frame, JJ Palmier signature frame. I got it in 20.75 in avocado green. I've got Primo Simmons grips along with Fiend Team bars, 8.75 rise. I've got a Shadow Conspiracy top load, a Fiend headset, and Demolition Elite forks with 32mm offset, I believe. I've got a really crappy front rim. It's a red line, and I just broke a bunch of spokes on it. And for my tread, I have Cole DeHart in front and back, 2 1/4 for both of them. Pretty bald, but it's fine. I've got 4 pegs, plastic Animal Butchers, the long ones, 4.5 inches. For the front hub guard, I have a G Sport. It's not very good, but I don't really care. So moving back here, I've got Duo TRL pedals, metal pedals. I've got Sabrosa bitchin' cranks and Sabrosa bitchin' bottom bracket. I've got a Salt sprocket along with a Salt chain. Randomly, it's a half link, so I don't mind it. And then for the back rim, I've got a Mission back rim, not the female axle one. And then I've got the Daily Grind hub guard, a black seat post, and a Fiend Fat Pivotal seat. That's my bike.